What up, y'all? This is JNRUSS4, aka Jonas the Barber, back at again with another Hornluck video. And we're back again with another clipper unboxing. I think the new Budget King clipper from Takealot. The clipper that we'll be unboxing is called the V653, and the box looks like that, as you can see over there. It's actually a clipper with a docking station that you can charge. And yeah, I think this might just be the new Budget King clipper for 2023. Stay tuned for the unboxing, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna just take our razor blade just to cut away the sealing for the Takealot box.
It looks like you lost another one.
Now that we open the box, you guys see we have actually quite a nice packaging for this clipper, the VGR clipper. You can see it's nicely wrapped, and the box was quite heavy, so the stuff felt really premium, I must say. So we're just gonna grab our razor just to get that cling wrap off the clipper box itself. Let's make sure you guys try and not cut yourself if you copy the same thing that I'm doing once you get your VGR clipper. But yeah, there we go, that's the box. I must say it's actually a clean package. It's the VGR V653. Oh no, 653. You can actually see all the things that you get in the box. You get 4 guards, a charging dock, clipper oil, a charging cable, and yeah, it actually looks like WOW premium guards. It's just a pity it doesn't come with a half guard and a 1.5 guard. But as you can see, it is a professional hair clipper, so hopefully this thing cuts like a professional hair clipper. And then yeah, slipping the box right on out the cover. It actually comes in a nice black matte finish cardboard box. I don't know why that took longer to open than it should have. But greeting us is the clipper itself, but we'll just take that out and then we'll unbox that last. Well, unsleeve it last. So I'll just put that to the side and then we'll open the rest of the box. So as you can see, we greeted with it looks like premium VGR clipper combs. If you open them, you actually get a 1, 2, a 3 and a 4 guard. And I must say they actually do feel pretty nice. Very similar to that of the WOW premium guards. So that's nice to see that you actually do get some premium cutting guards, cutting combs with the clipper. There you can see the number 1 and 2 guard. Like I say, this is a pity that they never gave us a half and a 1.5 guard. But other than that, I'll take what I can get, especially when it's like premium like that. And then you get like it looks to be like a 1.5 or 2 meter USB-A to the charging port that you can plug directly into the clipper or into the charging dock. You get the user manual if you guys want to learn about the clipper and stuff. I'll be going through this manual to find out how long the clipper takes to charge and what power brick they recommend using with the clipper. And then you get your standard cleaning brush with clipper oil. And then you get the dock. This is a game changer. If you guys don't actually have a clipper that docks, it actually just cleans up your workspace and cleans up your clipper station, and it makes it much easier to actually charge the clipper once you're done with it. As you can see, there's 4 rubber feet at the bottom. It sits nicely on whatever surface you put it on. It won't be sliding around. And then yeah, let's get to the clipper. I must say this clipper feels premium in hand. It's actually one of the nicest clippers I've actually bought, I've owned. As you can see, there's the nice blades. It looks like carbon fiber blades. It has click lever system. There's a 5 lever click system. Must say it's very satisfying to click through those levers. One of the best lever system I've actually come across in a clipper so far. And like, this clipper is actually very nice looking. If you look closely towards the shell of the clipper, you'll see that it actually has like small sparkles in the black plastic. It's very nice. Clipper is very nice and light in hand. Like, it's not overly heavy, but it still feels premium. I mean, they even put a nice protective plastic over that front housing of the clipper. But I mean, that see-through part where you can actually see the magnetic motor, that thing just looks sick. Honestly, one of the nicest clippers. And all for 1,000 Rand on Takealot. I mean, you get a cordless clipper that you can dock on a charger for $1,000 bucks, guys. Come on. And then there's a white LED indicator when you switch it on. The only thing that I've noticed is there's like a 2 millisecond delay from switching the clipper on to the actual motor running. And yeah, there you go. That's how it docks, that's how it looks. I mean, you guys can't deny that thing looks sick. So yeah, that's the unboxing for the VGR clipper. Review coming soon. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's Hondluk video. If you like the video, smash that like button. If you like the content, then hit the subscribe button. And yeah, stay tuned for more Hondluk videos. Stay blessed, stay safe, and peace out, y'all peeps, man.